boost British goods, and bon voyage. Free French airmen, now in Britain, are steadily qualifying to take their place in the battle of the sky beside their comrades of the Royal Air Force. Instruction with the link trainer, instruction in the navigation room, and then practical application of all this theory. No, the other way round, and it goes up there. Well, anyway, it all leads to that famous British trainer, the Miles Magister. Mr. Malcolm MacDonald, who leaves the Dominion Secretaryship to become High Commissioner in Canada,